If you encounter a "this site can't be reached" error, you can follow the steps to troubleshoot. First, check your internet connection. Verify that your internet is working properly by trying to access a website on another device. If the websites load on the other devices, your internet connection is likely fine. Otherwise, you can also reset the Chrome settings. Open the Google Chrome web browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Reset Settings, which is below the System option. Now here, select Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click on Reset Settings to confirm. You can also try using a different browser. If the issue persists, try opening the website in another browser like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and all. If the website does not load in any browser, proceed to the next step. You can verify the date and time settings. So ensure that your computer's date and time are accurate. Adjust them if necessary. So go to Settings and then select Time and Language and make sure that it's set accordingly. Return to the Google Chrome and try accessing the website again. If the problem still persists, what you need to do is you need to go to your computer search bar and type in settings or access it directly. Now you need to go ahead and click on Network and Internet. Now here in this page, select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now to confirm. And if none of the steps above work, the problem might be with your internet router. You may need to restart to troubleshoot your router. And this guide should help you resolve this site can't be reached error in your Google Chrome. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.